Hey guys, welcome to my new video. In this video I'm gonna show to make this animation with After Effects. Let's get started. So friends, welcome back, and I want to make very simple animation without any keyframes. So for this, select this background, let's lock layer, select this layer plant, go to solo, and let's select this anchor point icon. Let's move it down, click selection tool and unsolo, select this plant 3, go to solo. Also move the anchor point down here, click selection tool and unsolo, select this plant 2 main, go to solo and move the anchor point here. Let's move it down a little bit. Okay, click selection tool and finally select this layer plant 1, go to solo and also move the anchor point down, click selection tool and unsolo. So in this time let's select this layer plant 1, plant 4 and 3, link to plant 2, select plant 2, go to solo. Okay, let's press R, open rotation. I will make animation like this, but not keyframes. I will use expressions. Let's hold Alt, click this time icon and let's right here wiggle 1, 3. Click this empty area for down expression. Let's see. Okay, that's good. So let's edit this expression, Ctrl C and unsolo. Let's see here. Okay, so let's select this layer plant 4, press R, open rotation and hold Alt, click time icon for open expression and Ctrl V, paste expression. Let's click here for down expression. Let's see. Okay, not bad. And select this plant 3, press R, open rotation, again hold Alt, click time icon, Ctrl V and down expression. Let's see. Okay, looks good. And finally select layer 1, press R, open rotation, hold Alt, click time icon, Ctrl V and let's change speed here 4, click this empty area. Let's see. Okay, very nice. So let's close all keyframe settings and let's create new null object for fake camera. Let's hold Alt, click this icon for move anchor point center. Click selection tool, unlock background and select background layer and plant 2 main layer. Let's link to null object. Select null, change name fake camera and go to first second. Select this fake camera. Let's press S, make scale keyframe and go to 7 seconds, press N for select work area and let's right mouse, select trim comp to work area and let's change scale like this. Let's see. And select this background, press S, change scale and press P, make new passing keyframe and let's go to last keyframe, move it down. Let's see. Let's move it down more. This is fake parallax. Okay, not bad. So let's make lens flare light. Let's right mouse, new and create new adjustment layer. Add name lens flare sun. And go to effects presets, search effect lens flare. Let's use for adjustment layer. And we can change, let's type here, let's change 35 or 105. Let's move to here. Let's try change 35 or 5300. Okay, and let's go to here and let's make new keyframe for flare center. And go to last keyframe and change like this. Let's animation. Okay, let's change flare brightness and try change style. Let's try this. Okay, let's see. Okay, looks good. So friends, thank you for watching my video and don't forget to subscribe channel. like video and please follow me on Instagram. Good luck.